I'm going to be acting as a first level engineer, and I'm making a call using the remote assist tool to ask for help on how to fix something and troubleshoot on the DC bus system. So Bill, could you tell me where the rectifier is? I've never seen one of these pieces of equipment before.
All right, so your rectifier will be right here.
We are currently calling Jorge, who is in Austin, Texas, from Barrow, Alaska, with a Wi-Fi hotspot from a phone. We just had Jorge put an arrow on the power switch and circle the heater right here. Can you point to the orbital systems for me with an arrow? Great. This is the remote assist call element right there. So this blends right into our Teams, our Active Directory with ASRC.
I'm going to click place, and now I have my QR code, and here is where we put the QR code previously, so we're going to put the QR code there. So here what we can do is we can go to some of the templates for this room, and we have already built the boiler room system normal check, so I'm going to click that, and here are all of our instructions. And so what I'm going to do first, because I don't want these screens to follow me, is I'm going to pin them in place right here. So I'm going to preview the template for the boiler room system normal check. So first, we want to face the QR code, and we're going to go through each of the instructions as seen here, right? So you can read them, and there are notes attached. We won't look at these notes, but we'll go and look at some of the other ones. If an instruction is not in your field of view, an arrow will point to the location of your next instruction, which in this case is check the boiler control panel. The rest of this describes what a photo of a control panel with no issues looks like. So this is a photo that we took earlier when we were looking at when we were building out the template. We took this with the HoloLens, and we can see that the boiler room panel here is the same as the one here, so all systems appear to be normal. You can close that. There's also a text note that is describing the same thing. Normal reading, no alarm. So the next thing we have to do is we have to check the FSG alarms. You can see where those alarms are because these two yellow lines point to them. And if the FSG light is on, we have to press reset button as shown in the video. We'll play the video, which we took yesterday. Locate and loosen the retaining screw. So I'm watching the video for what it's asking me to do. Okay. It seems that it wants me to unscrew this retaining screw. Alright. Open the finger pull and pull out the rectifier. Alrighty. Here we go. So this is for replacing a rectifier. So let's just assume that I had gotten a new rectifier because the old one had gone bad. It wants me to slide the new rectifier into the slot. So I'm going to preview my steps. Step 1, assemble the side 1 saddle. Photo note. Alright, so that's what it looks like now. That's what it needs to look like at the end. Let's see the video note. Alright, let's go do it. go next. All right. Place side 1 saddle on aircraft. Like this. Alright, you gotta push that button. See, but this is good. This is good practice for making sure that everything. Let's see what this text note says. Align with registration holes. That must be these two things right here. All right. All right, let's go to the next step. All right, assemble side 2 saddle. Let's see what that video note is. Okay, so it's the same process as before, but on the other side. We just did this. Okay. Oop. All right. Assemble side 2 saddle to aircraft. Okay. All right. Line these holes like before. Remove pins from saddle. What pins? Those pins. Okay. All right. Assemble rack to saddle assemblies. Perform operation on both sides. Okay. Let's see what this video note is. These pins, they go here. Take the pins that were all Okay, so I got to take the pins that are already there that we just attached. Okay. All right. Hand it over to me. We'll set this right on. There we go. All right. Step 6, cinch belly straps. Okay, so I gotta get these here. And then over there.
And then you just
Okay, I gotta
like
cinch
Yep.
over there on the other side. Alrighty. Next step. Attach work platform to side saddle 1.
that becomes a handle. And you come up and over the hook. Then we push
Okay.
this, push the one out, push that in. Okay.
Alright, I gotta push that in.
It drops down into that latch. Into that. And take that pin out. Put it through that hole. It needs to line up and go in to the next one. Okay. That's it.
Sweet. Okay. So we gotta take this, lift it up, latch it on to these light pieces. Okay, we gotta do that. And then we take this, we put this here. Cool. Mount ladder to work platform. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, let's see this ladder. Fit it in there. Oop. Drop it down. Unpin this. Bring it up. Unpin this. Bring it up. And we're done. All right. That was how to put together the rear platform assembly.